Last year, I legally kept $15,000 that would have otherwise gone straight to the IRS. And I'm about to show you exactly how I did it using business deductions that 90% of people don't even know exist. Welcome to MoneyMindDaily, where we expose the financial strategies that separate the wealthy from everyone else. By the end of this video, you'll know the exact legal loopholes I used, the specific receipts I kept, and the 3 deadly mistakes that kill most people's chances of maximizing their deductions. Here's what most people don't realize about the current tax system in the United States. The IRS collected over $4 trillion in revenue last year. But here's the shocking part. Small business owners and entrepreneurs who understand these deduction strategies pay an effective tax rate that's often half of what regular employees pay. We're not talking about anything illegal or shady. These are legitimate business expenses that the tax code explicitly allows, but that most people either don't know about or are too scared to claim. Right now, as we head into the new tax year, there are 3 game-changing revelations I'm going to share with you. First, the home office deduction that goes way beyond just claiming a spare bedroom. Second, the business meal strategy that turned my coffee meetings into thousands in deductions. And third, the equipment depreciation loophole that let me write off my entire home theater system as a business expense. Let me paint you a picture of where I was just 2 years ago. I was sitting in my accountant's office in downtown Los Angeles. And Sarah, my CPA, hands me my tax bill. $43,000. I nearly fell out of my chair. I had been running my consulting business for 3 years, making decent money, but I was paying taxes like a regular W-2 employee. That's when Sarah looked at me and said something that changed everything. She said, "Michael, you're leaving tens of thousands on the table because you're not thinking like a business owner." That moment sparked a deep dive into the tax code that most people never bother to understand. The wealthy don't pay less in taxes because they're cheating the system. They pay less because they understand how to legally structure their expenses to minimize their taxable income. The difference between a wealthy mindset and a broke mindset isn't just about making more money. It's about keeping more of what you make. Let's start with the home office deduction, but not the basic version that most people think they understand. The IRS allows you to deduct expenses related to the portion of your home that you use exclusively for business. Most people think this means you need a dedicated office with 4 walls and a door. Wrong. Here's what actually qualifies. And this is where I saved my first $3,000. I converted my garage into what I call my content creation studio. I use this space exclusively for filming videos. Conned. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and share it with one person who needs to hear it. See you in the next one.